Hey y'all, I'm here for our March Madness tip of the day. Just want to elaborate on three of the common eye conditions. As we talked about earlier this week, cotton wool spots are caused by hypertension and diabetes, I should say. And this is due to these being uncontrolled. As they are uncontrolled, it causes damage to the nerve fibers, leading to them swelling and leaving a white, patchy appearance in the retina. Now, we want to make sure that the blood pressure and the glucose levels are monitored and controlled to prevent and to improve those cotton wool spots in the eyes. Okay. Next, we have AV nicking. Now, this is caused by hypertension as well. I always say, when in doubt, think hypertension because it commonly affects our vessels. So, what happens is those arteries begin to swell and compress the veins, giving a nicking appearance, hence the name AV nicking. And then lastly, we have copper and silver wiring, also caused by hypertension. And this is basically talking about is the arteries have a reddish color, appearing like a copper color. And then when they're occluded, they appear white, making that color look a little bit more silver. So that's why it's called copper and silver wiring. Be on the lookout for a worksheet that I have for you guys to help with images and to study this. I will talk with y'all soon.